Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will cover backtesting and optimization process for Hulk. So before we start, you must I need to give you some information regarding new sets file uploaded before one day. Just a second. So firstly you must visit this web page on the MQL5 website and inside comment section, scroll down just a second, you will find a new set for brand new set for trading on Euro USD. For these sets it's will be valid for, I think, for whole this year. So as you can see above, I will give you some information I will write some performance of this set. So this set is excellent set because they have a pretty fine profit factor, recovery factor, expected payoff, and sharp ratio. It's excellent. So then below I give you some information, basic information. If you want to, probably you don't want to trade with $5, but I don't know. If you want to try with on some, I don't know, cent account, then you can start with $5 and then must use higher leverage, like so, if your broker allow this high leverage. And these are recommended leverage for $10, $20, $100, and if you have, I don't know, 1000 USD, you probably use different, or 500 USD, you will probably use different leverage. I don't know. Everything depends how much you want to risk. So before we start, please download this set file and save inside some folder on your computer. Now, surprisingly, I mentioned for this in the last video. I mentioned for this set, it's all these sets are old sets. For example, these sets is published before 2 years, but for some reason this set on British Pound USD, it's pretty nice set, because I retest this set, backtest this set on all available currency pair and different time frame. Now I will show you some table to see what's going on here. As you can see here, these sets is still valid on British Pound USD on monthly and weekly time frame, and also they have a pretty nice trade on these different currency pair and on these different time frame. But be aware, you must check. I'm not checking the profit factor, recovery factor, and these stuff. So please check all these stuff when you backtest this set. So maybe of these maybe some of these currency pair and have a pretty nice performance. So please check it all. So let's back to the Hulk and this new set. Okay, if you are download this set, then open your platform. I start testing this set yesterday, I think, and for now I have one open position in profit. So we will see what happened, because these are my demo account. We will see what will happen. Now I will show you what is the inside this set, what I'm use, what is the input. So for this set, I'm not optimize the money management system. I choose manually. I activate a fixed lot size, as you can see here. I choose 10% for risk from my whole balance. I'm not using stop loss and take profit. That's why it's 0. And I decide to use these entry exit rules based on the signal rules here. Then I'm not use any pending or limit order. I use market order. As you can see here is the 0. Just to see what I'm using. Okay, I'm using two options for trailing SAR and trailing on the moving average. Okay, and I use only one signal. So we have 50 signal here, 50 available signal. But that does not mean that must you use all 50 signals at the same time. I mentioned in the last video how to use these 50 signals on the same time and what you need to do if you want to work this system works. So it will be impossible to work if you are not using weight if you activate all these signals, then weight must be higher, 10 or higher. Don't forget that. So also if you want to combine this 28 candlestick pattern formation strategy with strategy based on indicators, also this weight must be 10 plus plus. But if you want to combine only, for example, one signal based on candlestick patterns, and I don't know, one signal, for example, this one, then weight can be lower. And what this weight mean? Once again, what this weight mean? Weight means you give some priority to if you have two signals, so you give priority one signal to another signal. So that's mean, for example, if you have this lower number here, that's mean this signal will be first executed. That's mean weight. That's simply you give priority signal, one signal to another signal, nothing else. Also you can have the same weight, for example 10. You can put here 10, so two signals will be the same priority. So when the first signal is first condition is executed, then something like will be happen. So probably expert will open some position, nothing else, or close. So that will be regarding what these settings have inside the Hulk. Only one signal, and I recommended to use only one signal, to choose one signal. You have 50 signals available, but you choose only one. So that was my wish when I started developing before 2 years this expert advisor, to have one expert with many different signals. But as I say, use only one signal or maximum two. I don't know, you can use 50 if you want. I will show you the path how to use it 50 signals at the same time. Now I will show you how this strategy work inside my strategy tester. Okay, these are last version of Hulk. We start with 5,000 and I will choose different leverage here. Start date is the January from last year up to today's date. Set the date because these settings it's available only for trading for this year. But I will retest these settings for 1 year in the past and hold these 7 months of this year. Just a second. I will input the settings. First I need to find these settings. Okay, these are these settings. Okay, now let's fire off. Pretty nice. As you can see here, profit factor more than 3, recovery factor 5, expected payoff 1.2, and Sharpe ratio is accept more than 4. Now I will show you how this because I use different I use here different money management system. For example, if I activate this one, the result will be different. Just a second. Expected payoff almost 100. So I play game with money management system, nothing else. So everything else is the same. Now I will show you how to. You can retest all these modeling type. My advice is to use random delay because there is no broker who offer ideal execution. That's broker don't exist on the market right now. So always choose randomly. Then how to optimize this EA, or like see like on this way. Just a second. I always choose open price only because it's most fastest way for optimizing. Then set your start date and date. So probably you will not use this date if you want to optimize any EA for tagging for this year. You will use some different date in the past. I don't know. Choose forward step. Okay. And after that choose something here. So you can choose select for example stop loss and take profit. You can select at the same time these exit rules too, and you can optimize these EA for all these rules. I strongly recommend it to choose your risk manually. No need to optimize here anything. Or in the, for example, if you want to use this money management in percent, just simple activate this like so, and deactivate this one. Choose something here, for example, I don't know, you want to risk 5% of your deposit. Basically, you can this decrease factor can be optimized if you don't know what will be the best number here. So next, what is important, all these trailing rules can be used at the same time. You can try, or you can only use only one. I strongly recommend it to choose only one. So in this case I use two. I don't know why, that's I got for optimization. And now we are in the signal section. So we have 50 signals. Don't forget, I strongly recommend it to use only one signal for optimizing, maximum two. So if you are choosing, for example, you can combine this one signal for activate here like so, and choose your period, and take care regarding about weight. You can use the same weight here on the first signal and on the second signal, so the priority will be the same. If weight is different, then priority will be different for execution of the signal. That's weight means. Fire off the start, and you will got some after to finish. You will got some results. So as you can see here, all these optimization and backtesting is only for this one set. Only for and it's a pretty tough job to get to find best one settings, and you will need to spend many working hours to find and test and find and test pretty nice set. So usually I retest all. For example, if I will choose this, I will show you right now, for example, what I'm working, how I backtesting and optimize. For example, I will choose this one set. Okay, it's pretty nice. Now I will retest this set on all available currency pair to see if this set works something or it's a shit. Just a second. Okay, surprisingly this set work pretty nice, as you can see here. New Zealand US dollar, Euro US dollar, and British pound Canadian dollar. All these inputs are excellent. All. Profit factor pretty nice. Expected payoff pretty nice. Drawdown very small. Recovery factor more than 3, and Sharpe ratio more than 6. So finally I find some for this is not something that I prepare in advance. So I just find this set because I have many data here, many data. So I don't have time to check every single data here because it's a lot of works, and these settings are excellent, and this set file is excellent. So maybe this one will be pretty nice. Just check how this set trade on New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Pretty nice. Now I will check for Euro USD. I will optimize this set for Euro USD. Just a second to retest. Okay, and British pound Canadian dollar. Just to check. A second to check. Okay, maybe this is the best one. So I will check performance. Sharpe ratio is pretty fine. Recovery factor, recovery strategy is factor. This number is pretty fine. This recovery factor means, if you want to know what this stuff means, go to help. Sorry, and go to help topics and read regarding everything you want to know for this input. For this stuff. Just a second, I need to find here somewhere here. Just a second. I think it's here. Expected payoff. No, it's not here. It's here, but I can't find right now. Just a second. I will pause the video. Okay, I finally found this information here regarding user guide. So you can read here what all this stuff means: Sharpe ratio, recovery factor, drawdown, expected payoff, profit factor, and so on and so on. So don't forget to go to help and go to here, help topics, and you will find this all information here. So I hope I cover everything regarding testing and optimization. Don't forget to retest and this set from before 2 years on all available this currency pair you can see right now on the screen, and this time frame. But don't forget to check all this stuff: profit factor, recovery factor, and so on. And if you got some pretty nice result, then use this set for testing on the demo account firstly. Once more time, this set is checked. I think it will be valid whole this year, as you can see here. Where is the trading? Okay, right now we have one position open in profit. I will see what will happen with these settings in the coming days, in the coming weeks. But I think this sets it's valid and it's pretty nice. So that will be all for now. I will back to you soon with new video content regarding others my EA. So have a nice day.